How to auto-forward emails in Outlook Classic. First, open your Outlook Classic application. Then navigate to the File tab and click on Manage Rules and Alerts. In the Rules and Alerts window, click on New Rule to open the Rules wizard. Under the Start from a Blank Rule section, select Apply Rule on Messages I Receive, and then click Next. In the next step, you'll be asked to choose Conditions. Since we want to apply this rule to all incoming emails, simply leave everything unchecked and click Next. A confirmation message will appear. Click Yes to proceed. Now you need to define the action. In the Step 1 box, select Forward it to people or public group, and then in the Step 2 box, click on the People or Public Group link. The rule address window appears. Here, in the To field, enter the email address where you want your messages to be forwarded and click OK. Back in the Rules wizard, click Next. In the Exceptions step, you can leave everything as it is and click Next again. Now, give your rule a name in the Step 1 section. In Step 2, make sure Turn on this rule is checked. Finally, review the settings in Step 3 and click Finish. You'll return to the Rules and Alerts window where your new rule will appear. Click Apply and then click OK to save your changes. And that's it. From now on, all incoming emails will be automatically forwarded to the email address you specified. Thanks for watching.